Welcome to Life Extension Live. Look, we're here in the health and wellness market. I love being here. All of the products, all of the food. I get hungry and I'm gonna buy a lot of supplements. But anyways, this time of the year, getting to beginning of summer, right? We're all interested in weight management and we know how hard that can be. And so Life Extension's been thinking about this, right? People are trying all kinds of different diet programs, you know, whatever it is, low carb, more protein, whatever you're following. At the end of the day, you're cutting calories. And one of the hardest things to do is not to snack. You want to control your appetite. Well, we have something that can help. And again, this is great for whatever diet program you're following. What we have here, you can see it, is body trim and appetite control. You see that? Appetite control. We have lemon verbena and hibiscus in here that's going to help the hormones that tell you to eat and not to eat to behave together. So it helps to control your appetite and so you can maintain on your program and get the success you want. Now, there's a product that complements body trim and Dr. Crystal is going to tell us about it.
Controlling your appetite is only part of the puzzle. Wouldn't it be nice to turn your body into a fat burning machine? Well, that can be done with AMPK Metabolic Activator. We get lots of questions about this product. One in particular, what is AMPK? I call AMPK the metabolic guardian. It's found in every cell of your body and it tells your body to stop storing fat and to start burning that fat for energy. Now, I'll tell you, there are two ingredients in this formula. One is hesperidin from orange extract as well as gynostemma extract. I know that sounds kind of tricky, but that's just an herb in the cucumber family. Both of these work together to help to activate AMPK in your cells, helps to burn fat, but not just any fat, the fat around the abdomen. That's the kind of fat that we really want to target with AMPK Metabolic Activator. Dr. Mike, you have something else?
I do. Hi, Dr. Crystal.
Hello.
So lastly, what we wanted to share with you is saffron. Now, you guys probably know saffron. It's the spice.
Yes, the spice.
This is not as expensive as the spice, so don't worry about it. Still cook with it, just use a little bit. But saffron has compounds in it that help with healthy eating habits.
That's right.
That's what I like to say it. And, you know, if you're one of those people who like the 3 o'clock Snickers bar.
Uh-oh. Not me, Dr. Mike. Don't look at me. It helps with the carb cravings,
yes,
those sugar cravings that, you know, none of us have that, right?
No,
Dr.
none of
Mike?
us have that problem. So saffron can complement both of these. So we have body trim, saffron,
AMPK Metabolic Activator.
Great trio that's going to help you stay on your weight loss program so you can have success. Thanks for watching.